Shubha Mangala, my name is Aishwarya. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to give my seminar presentation, subject English. My lesson number 1, the town mouse and the country mouse. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other one day. The country mouse got this letter from his cousin. Kitchen cupboard, Mousetown, 11th of March 2012. Dear cousin, I have been ill with cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. He advised me to spend a week in a countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. With warm regards, your affectionately town mouse to country mouse, the mousehole mouse country. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse picked his bags and catch the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. I wish were an air conditioner coach. He said it to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. However, there was nothing he could not he do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train changed slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dearful. He felt troubled, hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse, but I can look around some coconut water if you like. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Don't you have orange juice or lemonade? I am afraid not, replied the cousin. But I find a very nice piece of fruit today and a tender bit of sugarcane. I am sure you will enjoy that. Root? Sugarcane? The town mouse exclaimed. But I don't eat raw food like that. The country mouse said, This is what we eat in the country. So I am afraid to have to eat this. Try it. It's not bad. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, There you are. You can sleep there. On the ground? Asked the town mouse. Do I have to sleep on the ground? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country, his cousin answered. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. Yes, what is it? The country mouse asked. This is quiet here. Why it is quiet here? Where all are the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where all the lights? They how it is country. How his cousin replied. It also quiet in the country. Sometimes it quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is quietest among all the villages in our district. Oh, it is it? The country in the strange place, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to nearby farm in the search of food. We sure to we sure we to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root or a tender bit of sugarcane. But the town mouse said, Enjoy. Thank you. Thank you, cousin, he said. But I think I will catch the next train home. I suddenly remember that I have forgot something. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is it letter. Mousehold, Mouse Country, 22nd March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right with love. Your cousin Country Mouse. to Town Mouse. Kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town. The town mouse received a letter and read it. Since he was in hurry, he sent a telegram to Country Mouse. Here is his telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, Town Mouse. Thank you.